couple and a cuddle boom. On the body and me we bust it like a bubble and you know what me pum pum.
Oh. Oh.
And you see the action, right? You see what's going on?
I'm seeing a lot of booty action. I'm seeing just...
Oh no. Oh no. Why did you call this again?
Alfalfa.
Anyways, what's up YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs here with another video with Taylor. And we did the intro already, but it got messed up. It's a good thing I checked it, so I'm doing it over right now. So you guys have liked the first one we did together. It was yeah. Well, it was Vibes Got a Happy Pum Pum. You guys liked our reaction to that or whatever. So I brought you back. So congratulations, you got. So we finna react to Spice. Something like it.
I'm excited.
You already watched the video. Keep acting like that. But yeah, guys. So let's hope you all enjoyed it. If you like the video, please remember to leave a like on the video.
I'm excited about
and
talking.
Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And remember, the goal for this year is 10,000 subscribers. So run up the subscribe button. Not sure.
It's here. It's either here. It's behind his face. Who knows? But just subscribe.
And comment some more videos you want me to let her react to. Some more videos you want to see her react to.
Better ways on torturing me.
Yes. Alright guys, sorry about that. I'm back. We back. So guess what happened? Someone called me a messenger like I don't even know who is this person. But anyways, we're gonna start the video right now, people. Like the video and let's get straight to it. Ready? Stay tuned. Ready? Spice.
Oh, I like her hair.
This is like a old version of Spice, but you have never seen this person before?
No, but I love her hair. It kind of reminds me of like Sully off of Monsters Inc. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I'm a Disney fanatic, so I have to do a Disney reference.
I don't know who that people. Ready?
I like that bag she got going. She all that swag. She that swag. Like, come here.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think he's thinking right there? Or she's thinking? What do you think is going on?
He want to get some. He want to get some of that. He want to tap that.
Alright, look at the dude. Would you smash that dude?
Let's see.
Where's he?
Let's see. No. No.
Why not? What's wrong with it?
I mean, I don't know. Like the way his head shape. It's interesting. I don't know.
Let's go.
Go down and a wine. Just a jump, this a trouble.
Hey, I like his body though. Call me shallow.
No, I thought you just said you wasn't gonna. You still would have smashed that dude.
Well, I probably wouldn't smash him, but I like his body. Like his body's all oiled, high definition, my nigga. Yeah, I'm sorry. I still love you. I still love you.
Because look at that dude.
Well, the body looks good. I mean, you could tell he probably a personal trainer on the side. I mean, I'm just saying, or he's a male stripper or something like that.
Bust it like a bubble and you know what me pum pum. On the body me a wine and
I'm liking that. They know how to work it. They know how to they gotta shake that booty meat. They gotta make it clap.
Shake that booty what?
Shake that booty meat. You gotta shake that booty meat. Gotta make it rain. Just
Did he hear what she said though? Did he hear the lyrics to the song though?
No.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen. You listening? Listen.
a couple and a cuddle boom. On the body and me we bust it like a bubble and you know what me pum pum.
Oh. Oh.
And you see the action, right? You see what's going on?
I'm seeing a lot of booty action. I'm seeing just booties in front of other women, which these are all women. They just got booties around each other, man. It's just so much booty.
Let go. Yeah.
Oh,
You think you could do all of that?
I wish.
Mine pan the body and I sit down on the
I
bed.
wish if I got the right
Pum pum
amount of
so tight, some
training,
man
my
now
nigga.
fidget. Yeah, them careful, come put me tan.
Ooh. Like, I mean, you don't know, like, they probably been doing this for a long time.
They are professional dancers.
I mean, they were just doing that. I mean, shoo! Bruh. I ain't mad at it. Do what you gotta do.
I want to see her. Can you? No, you can't twerk. Sorry. I take it back. I know you can't.
And I
I
catch it
can't.
on the beat, me
I
just a
wish.
drop it. How me twerk it and I slap it on the gong like me a map it. Spit face, smoke it,
This,
bust
like,
crap
just
it.
a little.
Yes, I saw me like it.
Okay.
Ride it like a bike it. Cock up on a
They just like,
See what's going on there now. See what's going on there now.
They ain't about to like do it on.
But look at all these girls though, like.
Oh, they were trained for this.
and I wine it
No,
and
no,
I lap it. Take a
watch
picture,
it.
your
Look
face,
at
snap
it,
it,
work.
face.
No, wait. You realize that all girls in Jamaica are like thick and you realize it, cause all she says is that girls in Jamaica have big booties,
Big booties.
and all that. Look
Big
at that.
old
Look at these some skinny ass girls right here. What are you talking about?
Well, the majority of the ones I see, man, that what's up, my man, the big old booty and the big old long dreadlocks and braids. I'm like, sister,
Shut up.
tell me what chicken you been eating. Steroid chicken? I'm just saying. I had to.
Let's go.
You come and make me ride it. Ride it like
Sis
a
got it
bike.
going.
Like it. Bring your body, come and make me ride it.
Oh, she just did a handstand, my nigga. She just making it rain, just clapping the cheeks together. I mean, just.
You crazy with it. All right, let's go through a little bit then. But the dude though, you still haven't changed your mind.
I ain't
Two
tripping off
legs
to do it.
together to a we are combine. Tear out me
Women.
grind. Skin out me boom boom.
Freaking handstand, my nigga.
Wine and a boom 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 boom. Me
You got
body
it.
does a jump and a boom
got
boom
it.
boom boom
I'm
boom.
gonna train you well.
Wine pan the body and I sit. Phone take a picture, yeah, that you fit
Yo,
with.
she's coming off like she like girls or something, yo. You rather say you're saying you rather Jamaican girls than guys.
Huh?
You were saying you rather Jamaican girls than guys.
I'm kidding.
She's just putting on a correct. Well, I'm not sure. I don't know. You like girls?
Nah. Boys all day.
Who you kissing at? Oh,
Specific.
Tyrekevlogs on the TV right there. Okay, good.
Specifically white boys, if you're out there. And if you're single. White boys. I'm looking at you.
Let's go.
Tell them. Me does a drop
Yeah.
it, how me twerk it and I
Ooh.
slap it
Yeah.
on the gong like me a map it.
I'm
How me
having
stop-
anxiety.
I want to see you try that.
I wish. Child, I wish. If I could do that, I wouldn't be working in retail now, would I?
What would you be doing?
I would be making it rain. I'd be making it clap in Miami. That's what I'd be doing. Having some sexy white boy throwing dollar bills at me. That's what I'd be doing. But
Hey,
hey,
this white boy say.
I mean, a girl can dream, right? A girl can dream. A girl can dream.
Let me shut up.
Your
Fishnet
fist
stuff.
up it, face,
I'm
smoke it,
not-
but crap it.
I have to borrow that sometime.
Yes, I saw me like
You saw her
it.
on her head just now?
Oh yeah, she did that break dance spin thing.
Can you do that?
I wish I probably snapped my neck. My neck would snap, and I'll be in the hospital somewhere and be on a ventilator. I mean, that wouldn't be good. That wouldn't be good.
I was getting your reaction to every little thing. All else, are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Bring your body, come and make me ride
She
it.
like a contortionist for that moment. Her body was all twisted up and stuff.
People looking at the video.
I'm just saying, man. She was in a circus at that moment. Her body was just all like this. She like a mosquito that got crushed or something. She was all twisted.
Mosquito that what?
They got crushed. They just crushed a mosquito. Like her body was just all twisted up and like a contortionist, like at a circus. I mean, if any of you guys been to a circus and went to a freak show, you seen all those twisted up contortionists, man. I'm just saying. Her body was all.
You finished now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Ready? Let's go.
I wish.
I've seen too much.
No,
So let me
we
know.
were
It's finished. It's finished. It's basically finished. Look. See? There's nothing else happening.
Come
It's basically
on.
finished. It's basically finished. See?
I like it.
We'll watch another video sometime. So what do you think of the video?
I liked it. I
You
liked
like
it.
Spice? I don't even
Yeah.
know which one of them is Spice.
Is it that girl with the blue wig?
It's not wig. It's a real hair.
Oh, is it that girl with the real hair?
It's
the blue
wig.
hair?
It's wig. Anyways, thank you for being yourself. Guys, thank you for checking out the video, guys. If you want another video with her, you all know what to do. Just let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know with the likes on the video. And she's still dancing.
I like it.
I guess she's just hypnotized by all these Jamaicans' booties shaking on the
Booties.
screen. So I'll see you on another video. Alright, guys. Peace out.